Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun Disney Halloween themed video for you guys. So I'm finally doing one of my Bibbidi boxes. I haven't got one in a while and I just got one that is going to be Halloween themed, so I am beyond excited for this. I had to bring out the Halloween Mickey ears as well for the occasion because I love everything Halloween, and Disney is so magical around Halloween time and Christmas time. I miss the parks so much. I wish I could go and spend Halloween there because they just decorate so gorgeous. And my favorite memory there is going to the Halloween party. Even though it rained that whole night, it was seriously so amazing. And yeah, I'm just missing Disney a lot, so I'm really excited to get into this box and see what we got here. So if you guys are new, I do these Bibbidi boxes unboxings once in a while, and this is a Disney kind of subscription box or a mystery box, which you can actually kind of customize and make it your own. You can request certain things, so you're not just going to get totally random stuff that you would never be interested in, because you can kind of select what characters you like. For mine this month, I requested a Halloween theme, so I'm really excited to see what is in here. I have no clue, but you guys can do anything like that as well if it is something that you want to sign up for. It's definitely perfect for any Disney lover or Disney lover in your life. I just really enjoy these boxes. They really go above and beyond to give you a really great experience. So I'll have that link down below. I do have a coupon code as well that I'll put down below. So let's go ahead and get into this. It has the cutest Halloween packaging right now. I think all the boxes come with this for this month, and also you can actually, if you want to just get one of their Halloween boxes, they have some specific ones that you can see what is inside. I was just looking at the website a little bit ago, but they kind of made their own custom ones. They started making some of their own merch and stuff like that. So there's, like, on their website it says click here to shop Halloween, and then you could curate your own Halloween box. There's like a $50 base box that has a t-shirt, a candle, and a Halloween button. And then they also have a $130 box, which is like crazy. It has a couple shirts in it. It looks like a tumbler. You guys will see it if you check it out. You can kind of see what's in there. But this is just their ultimate magic box. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, cute. Alright, so they are really changing things up. I got like a whole little booklet here that has my packing slip, and then there's a little card, and this one was curated by Amanda. So here is the little card that we got, and then your packing slip has all the items in it and how much they usually retail for, which is nice to know. Alright, so I don't know if this is something they're going to be doing from now on or what, but they put everything in this really cute Bibbidi bag, and this totally reminds me of like Cinderella or something with this holographic packaging. It is so pretty. I honestly love the bag, and I'm totally going to use this. I'm not sure if that's how all their stuff is coming in now, if they're going to change it up and whatnot. So let's see what we got. Oh, how cute is that? Okay, so the first thing we got here is this bright yellow, it's like a neon highlighter yellow hat that has a little ghost Mickey on it. This is cute because it's like Disney, but it's subtle Disney. This would make such a cute Instagram post. I'm gonna have to like curate an outfit around this hat. But this is by Cabethos Vintage, and it says Doodlebug Boutique, specializing in the magical world of Disney. Embroidery in vinyl in Slidell, Louisiana. How cool is that? So it's kind of like a custom hat. That is adorable. So I'm very excited about that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've never gotten one of these, but these are like it's called a Jim Shore basically, and it says Disney Traditions by Jim Shore, and these are like figurines that you can display. They're actually really pricey, so a lot of people love these. I see a lot of people collect them and kind of make little displays with them. So let's see what one that we got in here. This is my very first one, so I'm really excited. That's so cool. We got a fun like Halloween mini. Let me see what it's called. This is what it looks like. This is the Scream Queen mini. So cool to get a fun Halloween themed one. She has a fun purple bow. I love the dress as well. Very neat. This little thing says Disney Traditions combines the magic of Disney with the festive artistry of Jim Shore's Heartwood Creek, creating a new collection celebrating spirited moments and cherished memories. Very, very cool. Excited to have this as my first piece, and I could use it as Halloween decorations as well. So that's that. Okay, we have something wrapped up in tissue. I think it's a mug. Oh yes! I love mugs. I have my own little mug collection. This one's really cute too. So there's Mickey and Minnie here dressed up for Halloween. And then it says, let's party. Super cute. I love all the fun. Candy and Mickey heads on there. That's adorable. And the inside is purple. Very fun. Love that. We got something else cute. Oh, yay, I'm excited. Oh, I always wanted to try this brand. This is from Wishes Candle Co. You guys know me. I love candles. And I've been wanting to try Wishes for so long. And I think they made these candles in like exclusive to Bibbidi because this one's called Halloween on Main, and I know they have a Fall on Main in their regular line, but this one's the Halloween version. Look at this super fun glitter. I really want to try their Pirates of the Caribbean one. They're supposed to have one that smells like the ride, but they have just such fun themes, and I believe every candle has a pin in it too. But yeah, I cannot wait to try this. So this one's by Wishes Candle Company. I've tried one other Disney brand. I have it behind me called Main Street Melts, and I really like those. Let's smell this. Oh my goodness. This is so glittery. Mine got a little bit melted outside, but this smells so good. I just love the glitter. I'm a glitter fanatic, so this is perfect. But yeah, this smells to me like, reminds me a lot of Bath & Body Works Pumpkin Cupcake is what I can kind of compare it to. It smells delicious, and it seems like it's going to be pretty strong too. So yay, I'm very excited about this candle. Alright, so I have a couple more things here. This is a little Halloween pin. So this one is something that you can wear to the parks. You could put it on a backpack, something like that. And it says it's really not so scary. So cute, because their Halloween party is called Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. It's seriously so much fun. So I love that. Oh, and I got a mask. This is exciting too, because I really need more masks, and I don't have any Disney ones, so this is great. This would make a super cute picture as well. Okay, so it just says Boo on it, and it feels like a really nice material. It's like a spandexy, stretchy material, and yeah, it says Boo, and it has little Mickey treats on it. So cute. These look like they're gonna be really nice. So yeah, I need to take a fun picture with that. That's adorable. Got two fun clothing accessory pieces, and that is everything in my Bibbidi for this October fun Halloween box. So exciting. This is probably my favorite one yet, just because I love Halloween so much, and everything is just perfection. I love everything I got. Alright, so as I was looking at my invoice, I realized this is actually the Imagination box, which is $99 and not the Ultimate. But the Ultimate is like the top tier. This one's like the second to the top, and I feel like they did such a good job for this month. I love everything. I had so much fun unboxing this fun Disney mystery box with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.